for a cup of joe about now. Still even open? Isn't it a shopping mall now?
Batman, I've detected the distinctive sound of Deadshot's sniper rifle firing again inside Arkham City. I've triangulated the bullet impact sound to this location. If Deadshot is killed again, the victim will be in this vicinity.
It's colder than the snowman's heart out here.
It's Batman!
Hot. How does she get to walk around this place and not get grabbed by some psycho? How many times has Joker died already? I lost count. The walls are coming down and the rest of Gotham's going to bleed. Some kind of joke. I'm telling you, this was a Cat won't stay alive in a place like this. I wonder what this guy did to have someone want him dead. Whoever it was who killed
It's Batman!
There's a fight going on over there.
What are you gonna do, Bat? This is gonna hurt, Bat. You're gonna die here, Batman. Your mother won't recognize you when I'm done. Where do you want to be hit first? Time to retire, Batman!
Bruce Wayne got put in Arkham City. I'd like to get 5 minutes with that rich son of a bitch. You just need to do what I tell you to do, right? And listen, you really don't want to go pissing me off. Because I got friends in here. I'll find out. And if I do, I'll hunt you down and carve out your eyes. Understand?
Okay, okay. Please, don't hurt me.
I can't guarantee that.
I'll do it. I promise. Ah! Help! Stop, please!
Look out!
Thank you.
A third victim. It looks like he was hiding behind this car when he was killed. How did Deadshot do it?
that connects Deadshot's victims.
Good. He's killed again. We need to stop him.
The first two both worked for Strange. The first victim was a specialist in wireless broadcast technology. He worked on the tower communication system.
And the other one?
I can't find any information about what he worked on, which is suspicious enough if you ask me. But he was previously contracted on military projects, specializing in advanced weapon delivery systems.
Deadshot's clearing up Strange's mess. I'll track this shot to see if he left anything I can use to find him. Good work, Barb.
The bullet hit here. That's how he did it. Deadshot ricocheted his shot off this shutter.
Wonder Tower? Who cares about that old crap? It's an eyesore. I can't be trapped here. Got to be an escape.
To make the shot, Deadshot would have been lying down. His body heat melted the snow there.
We've got him, Oracle. I've isolated a number of very distinctive plastic-based particles and identified items that use this material in their construction.
So I see. Looking at the possible choices, I assume you've decided on the power substations, right?
Exactly. Cross-referencing this against locations that would definitely contain the metallic particles from the second crime scene gives us...
3 locations. You've done it. You're actually gonna catch the son of a bitch.
I've marked the map. I'll let you know what happens.
The only way I'm going to find Deadshot is to check out each of the locations that match his forensic profile.
No food, no safety. Every lousy thug fighting for control.
There's an electrical substation in this area. It could be the one Deadshot used.
What? It came from over here! Huh? This way! This way!
This wasn't the substation Deadshot's been using. There's the substation. Nothing. Deadshot was never here.
Get out of this place. There's got to be a way, right? What's on TV right now?
Catwoman sure is hot. Oh, I'd love me a piece of her.
Tell me about Riddler, and do it before I hurt you.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Good.
On rich boy Bruce Wayne, or buy me an instant parole.
The bat's here! We'll kill you, Batman! I'll kill you, Bat! I'll kill you, Batman!
This won't take long. We'll be quick. You're gonna die here.
I've destroyed the containers, Bane.
Good.
Give us the Titan, Bane!
Help me, Batman. We must not allow these puppets to take the Titan.
We'll kill him.
You damn boy! We'll make sure this hurts you, Batman!
You're gonna die in Arkham City.
I will send you back to your master in pieces.
This is gonna hurt, freak!
You cannot beat me.
You may want to run, Bat! You don't stand a chance against us!
We'll
I
make
shall snap your fools in two.
We
still gonna hurt you, bit freak!
We'll kill you, freak! Titan's mine! I'll kill you, Batman!
As I was saying, I've destroyed mine. I take it you've done the same?
In a manner of speaking, yes. Titan is too powerful to be used against me. I needed it all for myself. Now, do me a favor and die! Ah! No!
I knew I couldn't trust you, Bane, so I used you instead.
What?
Simple. You rounded up the remaining Titan. Now, I can destroy it.
Stop! Stop!
I warned you, Bane.
Free me!
No. You'll get out. Eventually. I'm too busy to keep fighting you.
No!
There's an electrical substation in this area. It could be the one Deadshot used. This wasn't the substation Deadshot's been using. This could be the substation I'm looking for. Deadshot was here. He was using this substation to store his equipment and... a PDA. It's heavily encrypted. I'll need to bypass the security if I'm going to find out any more about Deadshot and what he's doing here.
This PDA was definitely given to Deadshot by Hugo Strange. It looks like he was smuggled into Arkham in order to take out a specific list of threats to Strange's position. Let's see. Deadshot only has 3 targets left. Jack Ryder, Bruce Wayne, and Batman. Damn! He's working to a schedule. Ryder's his next hit. He's marked his current location. He's going to kill him in 3 minutes if I don't get to him in time.
If I don't find Jack Ryder in 2 minutes, Deadshot will kill him.
Remember this place back before they built a wall around it. Suck then, too.
Kill us all.
You made me miss my target, Batman. I never miss. Stop hiding. You cannot beat Deadshot. Stop this now. Let me kill you. I never miss a shot. Hurry up and die, Batman. I've got a reporter to kill. It's just business, Batman. Nothing personal. I could play this game all night, Batman. After I kill you, I'll kill Jack Ryder and Bruce Wayne. Then I can just collect my check. Come out, little bat. Where have you gone, Batman? Are you too scared?
This isn't over, Batman. I swear.
Did you find Deadshot?
He's not a problem anymore. I'll let Gordon know where he is and come back for him later.
They're still keeping us in here. Did they ever explain what the island was?
Look out! Batman's here! Arkham City is gonna be the last thing you see. the freaking man! You chicken? Come and fight me! You were right. It is the bat. You're gonna die here!
How does it feel, Wayne, to stand on the very stones that ran with your parents' blood? Do you feel sad, full of rage? Or does that outfit help bury your feelings, hiding your true self? Oh, you are a truly extraordinary specimen. I look forward to breaking you.